Good evening, my friends. Many of my subscribers have been asking how to adjust their watch bracelets at home. Most of the time, whenever you buy a new watch, the watch bracelet is going to be long and giving you a dangling effect on your wrist. I see that I need to remove 3 links from my watch bracelet. Let's remove the watch bracelets from the watch. Now let's look for some arrows. These arrows or direction indicates the direction of the pin as it exits from the bracelet. In this case, it should point or head downwards. We'll use this device, aligning the pinhole making sure it's in contact with the pin of the device. When it is in position, you may arrange to screw it in and it will automatically push the pin out. I'm showing it to you in a bit. Okay, I'm screwing it in. You may now see the pin exiting from the watch links. So you see this pin has got 2 tips. One is narrower and one is broader. In this case, the bottom part is broader and the tip at the top is narrower. Now let me show you another way to remove the watch link from the bracelet. Notice the hole there. It is where the pin will exit from the watch link as we knock the pin out from the watch link. Now let's join the 2 ends together and insert the narrower part of the pin into the watch link. In that way, it's secured. Now we're going to reconnect the watch strap onto the watch. Now let's test fit the watch on our wrist. Remember, the best position to wear your watch is just before the wrist bone. See, it's flexible. Can do a 360 articulation on my wrist. This is how you do it. Perfect. And there you have it. Have you learned it? If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the coming future. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and bye for now.